Namaste, everybody. Once again, welcome to day 3 of the Face Yoga workshop, along with a dear friend of mine for many, many years, Mansi Gulati, and also possibly the most well known exponent for Face Yoga and has been doing it for many, many, many years. I hope you guys have all had a good time over the last 2 days. Do not worry, people who've not attended the last 2 days and you've landed up on day 3, you will get the recordings of the first 2 days, but the recordings will come to you only after the 5 days. We'll be answering a lot of questions. And like I promised yesterday, there's something super exciting that we're going to be showing you today, which is going to be exclusively only for the 2,400 people of batch 2 who've registered for the Face Yoga workshop. Once again, I welcome you, Mansi Gulati, on behalf of Sarva. Thank you so much for taking out time from your busy schedule. And I welcome every single person who's joining in because you have taken the 1 hour of your absolutely precious day to kind of take care of yourself. Even if it's to look more pretty, more beautiful, get rid of acne, get a chiseled face, get rid of dark circles, whatever the reason may be, I think what is very critical is practicing. So, Mansi Gulati, over to you. Thank you so much. I will see you all very, very soon with some exciting updates once you finish the class. As always, the structure of the class is going to be simple. Mansi is going to be doing the session completely. You're going to be doing it with her. Remember, every exercise needs to be done 3 times. Mansi is doing it with you all for 3 times. Then she'll do a recap. And then, of course, a little bit of gratitude meditation by me towards the end of the session as well. Over to you, Mansi, host. I request you to please change the spotlight to Mansi Gulati.
Thank you, Sarvesh. So let's start yoga. Hope you all are excited and really thank you all for joining us. So we'll do it. First, we'll chant Om Mantra. We'll do it. Please join your hands, close your eyes, relax yourself first. Release your all stress and pain. Just relax. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now we'll say Om 3 times very slowly. Inhale first. Inhale. Inhale. Relax. Just relax yourself. Rub your palm. Generate heat. This I call palming pose. Beautiful pose. Now keep it on your eyes. Hold there for 10 seconds. Relax. Open your eyes. Rub your palm. Generate more heat. Just hold here. Relax your facial muscle. Relax yourself. Relax your body. Always be happy. So let's start today. Our session is for slimmer face. Plumpiness is also good. It shows we are very innocent, but we'll do some exercises for the plumpiness, and this is also very good exercise. Let's start it. Then I will tell you in details. Let's start first. So today first we'll do warm up. Yesterday I told you we need the prop water. We are going to take water today. So we are going to do some warm up with water today. Before doing any asana, we have to do warm up. Afterwards also we can do it, but please do warm up. That is very important for the blood circulation. So let's start. Please fill your mouth with water. Relax. Hydration is very important. I'm drinking a lot of water. So please do it with me. This is very important, which I'm going to tell you. This warm up are very easy and beautiful warm up. There are 30 water exercises also for face, but we'll do today few. This is for warm up. Please fill it again. Resistance is very important. This is very important warm up exercises. We'll do it again. Very simple. Just fill. Then we have to shift to your left side, then shift to your right side. So let's do it again. This is very important warm up. I'm going to drink more water. We'll do it. Relax. Very important. This is the best cleansing. Clear all the bad toxins from your face, and this is very good for the blood circulation. Uh, blood circulation. We'll tell you one beautiful warm up. One more. So we'll tell you. This is also very easy. Whenever we are doing yoga, always try to sit straight. Very important. So let's do it. Fill it. Tilt your head back. This is very important. Do this. This is gravity. You know, it's very important. It's very good for your blood circulation, and accumulated fat will get released by this simple warm up. So very easy and very simple. I did this, then shift, then like this. Now again, same thing. Fill. Relax. So this is the warm up for today. So this we call also weight training, like we do dumbbells and all in gym. So this is water training for your face and will help you to reduce plumpiness from your face. You will get a slimmer face by doing this simple warm-ups. So let's start today face yoga session. We'll do exercises. First, we are going to do oval pose. It's very easy pose. This is very good pose for your plumpiness. Nothing. Make a O and hold. We'll do it for 10 seconds. Hold it for 10 seconds first. Then we'll do exercise with it. Make a O and hold. Stretch it properly. Teeth should be hidden. Make sure about it. Relax. This is very important stretch to promote collagen also. Let's do it. Let's make big O and small O. Let's do it for 10 counts. First, make a big O. Ten count and release. Beautiful exercise for your face. We have to perform 3 times every exercise for the better result. So let's do it again. Big O and small O. Very simple and very easy. Make a O. First, hold it for 10 seconds. Let's start. Try to feel your muscles. Do it little slowly. Okay. Relax. Let's do it again last time. This is very important. You will get a slimmer face by doing this simple exercise. Let's do it. Make a big O. Hold it for 10 seconds first. This will relax your muscle, release your all stress, and very beautiful exercise for your plumpiness. So do this. This is O pose, big O and small O. So let's do our second asana. This is also a very important asana. Now, same like this, wider. Very simple and very easy. We'll do it. First, wider smile. Hold it for 10 seconds. Closing the door. Very simple. Let's do it for 10 count. Relax yourself. Just with the fingertips, you can massage your facial muscle, massage your face. These are very important exercise for your fat. So we'll do it again. This is very simple and very easy exercise. Same like we are doing like this. We'll do it. First hold it for 10 seconds, then we'll do counts. Okay. Do it for 5 counts, 10 counts, 15 counts. Gradually you can increase it. This is very important exercise. So let's do it again. Last time. Stretch it and smile. Relax. Relax yourself. Just relax yourself. Let me tell you one more thing. It's very important about the yoga. Today we'll do some kriya also. This kriya is very good for the plumpiness. You will get a slim face by doing this simple kriya, Samanya kriya we called it. We'll tell you the meaning of Samanya kriya also. Why we do breathing. Mind and body is connected with your breath. Breathing is very important. And in Samanya kriya, we only need to increase the speed while inhaling and exhaling. It's very easy. Let's do it. Keep your hand here. This is very beautiful anti-aging kriya also. Please do it. This is very good for your cleansing system. Keep your hand here like this. Now we'll do Samanya kriya. Just need to increase the speed. Same like this. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing is very important. Understand your mind and body by doing this simple breathing exercise. If you don't know Kapalbhati, Alom Vilom, do Samanya kriya. Samanya kriya is more than enough. Just increase the speed. We'll do it again. Do it for 5 counts with me. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Release. So this is very important kriya, Samanya kriya. Do this kriya whenever you find time. And for face yoga, we can do any time. But if we do yoga, we have to keep a difference, keep 2 hours. That is all. So stay healthy, be happy. Let's do other exercise. This is also very beautiful exercise for the plumpiness. Keep your one finger here on your nose labial fold, second here. Very simple. Keep your one finger here, second here, cheekbone, sorry, cheek muscle. Now smile. Release. Beautiful asana for your face. This will also help you to release your fat. So we'll do it again. Now please try to hold it for 10 seconds. One finger here on your labial fold, nose labial fold. Second here, cheek muscle. First hold here, stretch it. Now smile. Relax. Relax, relax, relax. This is very important exercise. Let's do it again. Please hold here on your labial fold, starting of your laughing line. Second, cheek muscle. Stretch it. Now smile. Relax. Today you will get proper stretch by doing this simple exercise. Let's do it again. Last time. Keep your finger here. Stretch it. Smile. Relax. Just relax yourself. We'll do one more Kriya. My beautiful Kriya, Mahakriya. The beautiful Kriya for your weight loss also. And clear all the bad toxins from your body. Let's do it. Please keep your hand like this. Always try to sit straight in yoga. Inhale. Exhale. You can exhale from your mouth or from your nose. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Very slowly go down. Come forward. Now exhale. Come up. Beautiful Kriya for your face, for your body. This will help you to control your age. We can easily control 5 to 6 years by this simple Mahakriya. Let's do it again. Very important Kriya. Please keep your hand like this. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Very slowly go down. Now exhale. So beautiful Kriya for your face, for your body. My weight is very much controlled. My weight is 50 kg from last 10 years. And do this Kriya. Believe me, आपका भी weight मेरी तरह पूरी तरह control रहेगा. So this is very important Kriya, Mahakriya. In yoga, we just need to follow something that is important. Before 5, we can have oily food, junk food. And this is very good for your face also. Before 5, if you're having oily food, junk food, that is okay. Sun is there, sun can absorb. But after 5, we have to avoid it. Drink lot of water, like we did for the warm up. Please drink lot of water. Every half an hour, we can take half glass of water. Always try hydrated drink, very important. And sit straight. This is very important principle of yoga. Breathing is very important, which I told you today. Samanya kriya. अगर आप लोग दूसरी क्रिया नहीं कर सकते, do samanya kriya. Just we need to increase the speed of inhaling and exhaling. And very important, anti-aging for your face. I'm going to give you a tip. If you can follow, it's very good. Sleep. You know, we sleep. Before that, just take a shower. This will help you for proper sleep. You will get proper sleep also. And हमें पता ही है, if we get proper sleep, our brain will function more. So our body is 70% is made from water itself. So water is very important. जब हम shower लेते हैं, it's not about outer cleansing. It's cleansing of your mind, cleansing of your thoughts, cleansing of everything. So सोने से पहले अगर हम 10-15 मिनट आधे घंटे पहले अगर हम शावर लेते हैं, that is very important, very beautiful anti-aging tip. So please do that. And one more thing which I need to tell you for the plumpiness, it's very easy. How we need to wash our face, that is also very important. So please fill your mouth with water and wash it like this. Splash and wash it like this. This is very important tip for your face. It will help you to clear all the bad toxins, and जो fat जो होता है उसको भी help करता है reduce करने में. So morning में उठ के सबसे पहले fill your mouth with water and splash it. Eyes भी अच्छे से साफ करिए, very important. So let's do other exercises for the plumpiness. Let's do one more exercise. This is also beautiful exercise. First, just palming pose. Relax your facial muscle, relax yourself. Okay, now we'll do other exercise for plumpiness. Very simple and very easy. This is also good for your chin, double chin, look up. Now your lower jaw will come to upward. Hold it. I'm covering my lower jaw to up. This is very important pressure for your face, for your jaw, double chin. This is very important. Just try to hold it for 10 seconds. Let's do it again. Look up. First, the lower jaw. Sorry, lower lip. I'm really sorry. Relax. Try to feel the pressure. This is very important pressure for your face. It will activate your muscles. Let's do it again. Tilt your head back. Now lower lip is covering your upper lip. Relax. Beautiful exercise for your neck also. You will feel the stretch here. So it's very beautiful exercise for your face. We'll do it again last time. Very simple. Please sit straight. Look up. Lower lip. Going to cover your upper lip. Very simple. First hold here. Relax yourself, relax your body, relax your mind, relax your face. Let's do other exercise. Hope you all are doing with me. Let's do other exercise. This is a beautiful asana for your face, for the plumpiness. Very simple and very easy. Just blow. Relax. Close your eyes, relax yourself. So blow, 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 blow. We'll do it again. This is beautiful exercise. It will help you to reduce your fat from your face, and also it will help you to clear all the bad toxins from your body. Exhalation is important. Exhale karte hain. Toxins. We are clearing all the bad toxins from our body. Let's do it again. Now try to blow it for 10 counts with me. Sorry, I need some water now. You can also take a sip of water. Very important. Let's do it. Relax. We are properly working on our facial muscle. Do this. You will get the best result. Let's do it again for 10 count. Relax. Like our body, we're exercising our facial muscle, and we can easily control our age by face yoga. So let's do one more exercise. Today, last exercise for the plumpiness. We'll do it. Keep your finger like this. So it's very easy. Now stretch upward direction. Hold your mouth. Relax. This is very important for your blood circulation. It will help you to reduce your fat. You will get a slimmer face by doing this simple asana. So let's do it again. Keep your hand like this. You're stretching upward direction. Make sure about it and holding your face. First stretch upward direction. Now hold. This very important exercise. Let's do it again. Please keep your finger like this. Stretch it upward direction. Hold your face now. Relax. Massage it with your finger. I'll tell you one beautiful face pack also that we can apply that will also help you reduce pigmentation and very good for your slimmer face. You'll get a beautiful face, flawless skin by this simple mask also. I'm going to tell you some coconut oil and aloe vera. Just apply it for 5 minutes weekly once. You will get the best result. Pigmentation के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है, slimmer face के लिए भी अच्छा है, and this is my favorite anti-aging mask which I usually apply. So please do that, and hopefully you all enjoyed today's session for the slimmer face. We'll do short recap. We'll do it after.
Mansi, just give me 2 minutes before we do the recap. Thank you so much for today's session. Host, can I request, I see about 900 people on the screen right now. I would request everybody to just give me exactly 180 seconds, not minutes, but 180 seconds to please take time and see these two videos before I tell all of y'all what is special in store for y'all. Host, may I please request you to play the video? You can share the screen and play the video. Great. 2 videos. You can right click it and play it with this one. QuickTime Player. Host, we're not able to see the video in case you're playing it because we're not able to see it. Okay. Host, it's fine if there is a technical glitch, it's all right. You can stop sharing the screen, and Mansi, I would request you to go through a complete recap of today's session. Meanwhile, we'll try fixing the videos in the back end. If you can just quickly go through the recap, Mansi, that will be very helpful. Host, could you stop sharing and change the spotlight to Mansi?
Okay, let's do a short recap for all the exercises, a few exercises. Let's do it. We'll do one first exercise, warm up. I told you, please do warm up. Very easy and very simple. It's very, I'm going to tell you again. Fill your mouth with water. First hold. Shift. Keep your palm here. Again, shift. Warm up. Relax. Beauty at your tips. Massage your face with your finger. Make sure your hand is sanitized. So let's do our asanas. A big O and small O. Smile. Big. Again, same thing, but we are smiling. Teeth should be hidden. Close. Beautiful exercises for your face. Let's do two more. Keep your finger here on your lowest labial fold, second on your cheekbone. Smile. Please don't do like that. Smile. Relax. Let's do the exercise. Blow, blow, blow. It's very easy. Blow. It's very important. Clear all the bad toxins from your body. Relax. Let's do other exercise. Look up. Now lower lip will come to upward direction, covering your upper lip. Relax yourself. Very important exercise for your neck, for your double chin, and for your face also. It will give a good shape to your face. Let's do other exercise. This is also very good exercise. We'll tell you one more thing. I'm so sorry. मैंने आपको एक exercise नहीं कराई, so I would like to show you other exercise. This is also beautiful exercise for your face. It's very simple and very easy. First, we are doing recap. So just hold here. Stretch upward direction. Now hold your mouth. So this is all for today, but one more exercise we'll do, I promise you. So please keep your hand like this. This is very important and beautiful exercise for your lumpiness. Now open your mouth, it should be hidden. Hold here for 10 seconds. Relax. So relax yourself. Do this beautiful facial exercises, and please, I don't apply any cosmetic. Never go for surgeries. Never go for Botox. Face yoga is something very natural. We can easily control our age by face yoga, and there is no side effect, no chemicals, nothing. So please do face yoga. And yoga is, sabko hi pata hai, yoga is very important and very good for health also.
Thank you so much, Mansi. Before we go on to the questions, where we have a lot of questions, we fixed the technical glitch. I'm just going to be host. Could you allow me to share the screen? I'm not allowed to share the screen. Could you please quickly allow me to share the screen? Yes, I can. Great. Uh, are you host? Are you able to see the video?
Yes, yes.
Great. I'm just going to be playing it, and I'll tell you why.
So many health issues. Since I had PCOD, I was getting very angry in small.
On yoga 2 weeks back on Sarva app.
All your videos are unique and they have so many health benefits.
I love the pranayams. I love all the flows.
And I am really happy about that.
I have gained strength, flexibility.
Your classes have been magical, a lifesaver and a life-changing thing for me.
After me started doing your class, even my mama started doing with me, and we both are doing it so religiously. We got the best result from your class, Isha.
Thank you so much for bringing yoga into my life.
PCOD disorders that I had, everything got resolved and it's still resolving.
So that is one. Let me just show you all the second one, and then I'll tell you what I want to kind of announce here.
Before coming to Sarva, I'm not able to walk properly, I'm not able to sit properly.
I have not only lost my weight, but I got so much of peace because of your class.
So when I joined, I was 64. Yes, and now I'm proudly gonna say I'm 60.
I feel my mind has become very peaceful. Anger has reduced at situations when I have to manage work and home and everything.
I really feel a good change in me.
I feel that I'm lucky enough that I was able to attend the yoga sessions on Salva app.
I have been lost around 8 kilos of my weight.
I feel amazing changes for myself.
All your sessions are really helpful in losing weight and toning up the body.
I have a long journey to go and I'm gonna make it.
I could shed off 5 kgs. I feel happier and lighter than ever before.
Host, I'm going to stop sharing. This is just a small, we've probably got messages because we are present in over 100 countries. We've probably got messages from many places. What we're going to be doing, the host is going to be sharing across a link. We have 2 workshops that is going to happen in the month of October. One is a 5-day workshop with masters in yoga therapy. You're seeing the comments about him and the PCOS and the PCOD, etc. Masters in yoga therapy. He's going to be taking the class. He takes for a lot of people with medical conditions, very severe medical conditions as well. And the second workshop is a weight loss workshop. What we've continuously been seeing across the last 6 months is the people who attend one of our workshops keep attending the next and following on. So exclusively for all the 2,400 participants, what we've done is we have announced a combined workshop package where if you all attend both these workshops together, it's of course especially at a significantly over 50% discount for all of y'all. You also get to attend the 3rd batch of Face Yoga workshop for free, which is going to happen in the last week of October. I request the host to put out 2 links. One is the link of the entire workshop details, how many days, who's taking it, who should attend it, what can they expect out of it, and a lot more information, along with the link where they can register. If I can allow host to kind of put this information, both the information about the registration, and you will all get an email with the PDF across what this workshop is going to entitle. I would recommend all of y'all those whoever is keen to join both the PCOS and the weight loss workshop, please feel free. Again, I repeat, if you join this registration, if you register for this combined workshop, you get the third Face Yoga workshop absolutely for free. More information on the PDF. Thank you so much for listening and giving me this 3-4 minutes time here. Mansi, I'm going to be asking you a few questions that have been asked by many people. So a few questions, Mansi, are: what are face yoga techniques for glowing skin? So host, could you please change the spotlight from me to Mansi?
Face yoga technique for glowing skin. First of all, you have to do yoga with me. That is important. And simple techniques which we are doing every day, please do that. And drink a lot of water, very essential. 70% of our body is only for water only, made from water. So drink a lot of water. And for the glowing skin, we'll tell you one beautiful exercise. This is very beautiful exercise for the glowing skin, for the instant glow. Make a balloon and hold your breath now. Release. So this is beautiful asana for your glowing skin. Hold your breath for 10 seconds and you will get a beautiful result. Thank you.
Fantastic. Can you suggest a diet plan? Let me answer that. All the 2,400 participants, after the 5-day workshop, you not only be getting recordings of all 5 days, but also you will be getting an entire diet plan that will help you not just for your skin and your face, but for your entire body as well. So don't worry at all. The diet plan will come into your email boxes. Keep your eyes open for the diet plans. You will get it in less than 1 week's time. How many times in a day should we practice face yoga?
See, actually, I usually spend 20 minutes, but we can do face yoga anytime. So you can do sometime we can do in morning, sometime evening, anytime. But you should spend at least 15 minutes for face yoga.
Great. When will we get the recordings? If yes, when? Yes, you will absolutely get the recordings. Everybody will get the recordings. You will get the recordings within 3 days after the workshop is over, which means 3 business days, which means the workshop gets over on Friday. You will get the recordings by Wednesday, end of day. You will get the recordings by Wednesday, end of day. Next question is, do we need to apply any oil or cream before doing face yoga?
Nothing. You don't need to apply anything. But mask, which I told you today, you can apply that. It's very beautiful for your skin. It's very good for your skin. So you don't need to apply anything. I'm not.
Can you repeat the mask? The mask.
Very simple. Aloe vera and coconut oil. Aloe vera and coconut oil. Just mix it and apply it for 5 minutes. And wash your face with warm water. You will get the best result. It's very good. Coconut and aloe vera. That is all.
Another question is, if they have only one issue, do they need to attend all 5 days?
You have one issue. Please do. Yoga is important for your life. Yoga is important for your health. So I do request everyone to join to do yoga with me. Yoga with us also. Yeah.
Great. Okay. So I'm going to be taking 1 second. So a few more questions. Can face yoga be done before going to bed at night?
Yeah, why not? Anytime.
Okay, great. How do you keep breathing in the O exercise?
Breathing should be normal.
Exercise that you do.
Should be normal. Don't hold your breath. Breathing should be normal.
Any exercise for puffiness of eyes?
Puffiness of eyes. We'll tell you one exercise. See, very important. Just keep your finger here. This is very important for your sleeping, waking up your eyes. Just hold here. Now look up. Relax. This is very important exercise for your puffiness.
Great. In how many days the face yoga will show result?
You will get the result after 5 days. You will get the result.
Yeah, but attending all 5 days is very critical. Please send the link to join the weight loss workshop. A lot of people have been asking about the workshops. Once again, the host has put the message on the chat. If you go to the chat, you can check out the PDF and you will get more information about the entire workshop and the details of the workshop. Please click on the link. You can check it, given to all the panelists, all the attendees. You can check it out. Can we take shower in hot water?
Hot water? Yes, we can. No problem. We can.
Okay.
Hot water also. That's
got it. Mahakriya exhaling through nose or mouth after bending down. It was not clear is what they're saying. Can you sit on a chair and do Mahakriya?
Yeah. Exhale from your mouth after bending down. Exhale. Exhalation is very important. Exhalation will help you to clear all the bad toxins from your body. And we'll tell you one more thing. This is the best Kriya to control diabetes also. So Mahakriya is very important Kriya. Try to exhale from your mouth only.
Great. Okay, this is an interesting question. What if we already have a slim face? Will our face become even more slimmer?
Your face will glow. No problem. If you do this exercise, your face will glow more.
Great. Fantastic. While you look up and do it, does the blowing help in thyroid?
Yes, it will. It will help you, and which I showed yesterday. I told you the exercise thyroid killer. That is the best exercise for thyroid. I'm going to tell you again. This is very important exercise for thyroid. Make a spout. Keep thyroid gland is here, center of your neck. Please place your finger here. Don't press it. Now make a pout. Look up. Press your gland. Release your finger first. Relax. So this is beautiful exercise for the thyroid. Do this. You will 100% definitely you will get the result.
Great. Is there any asana to get chubbier cheeks? That's a lot of people are asking that question.
Wow. So,
I'll say eat a lot of ice cream. Just kidding.
Nice. So we'll tell you, very important. I'm going to tell you 3 exercises. It's very easy. First, palming. It's very important. Just hold here. Now, balloon pose will help you. And third exercise, this is the best exercise, very important exercise. Now hold your mouth. Relax. Do this exercise. You will get the result.
Fantastic. Super. So I think we've answered a lot of questions today. I'll just show you again. I request a lot of people are asking where is the link for the weight loss workshop and the PCOS workshop together. So I'll just quickly show you all in a minute exactly how you can see this. That is what we are saying. For the upcoming face yoga workshop will be absolutely the PCOS workshop with it takes classes of people because today people like to know who these people are taking classes for. He takes classes for Shahid Kapoor, Kamal Hassan, Meera Kapoor, and a bunch of other people, including Malaika Arora as well. So a lot of people take sessions. He's a specialist in therapy who can attend this workshop. Anyone who's diagnosed, anyone who wants to learn and manage PCOS, what are the benefits about attending this workshop? What's the 21-day weight loss workshop going to be about? Of course, this is not your prize. Who's going to be the teacher again? You will see a lot of people have been attending his sessions. Some of you all must have also been attending his sessions in the Sarva app, on the Instagram page, etc. This is the actual price. But then if for the 2,400 people, there's a special price that we have kind of given, that is by the end of this workshop. And the third Face Yoga work absolutely free of cost for you. And chat, please open your chat and check it out. You will have all the information on that. We've also put the registration links on the chat button. So please go through it. And of course, you'll see a lot more of me during those workshops as well. I will also be taking a bunch of workshops. I will come to that later. Let's end this beautiful session with a calming, nice, meditative practice. I request all of you all to please close your eyes, back straight, spine straight. Take both your palms, place it over your eyes, and gently close your eyes. Take both your palms, place it over your eyes, and gently close your eyes. Now, I have to talk, so I have to move my hands, but please keep your eyes closed with your palms this way. I want you to think of your mentor. I want you to think of your most favorite guru, your teacher, or somebody you respect the most. It can be your mother, father, it can be Mansi, it can be anybody for that matter. Please close your eyes this way. Think of somebody you love the most. Think of somebody you love the most. And now just gently listen to this.
Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwara Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
Feeling of love, spread this feeling of respect, and this same feeling of love and respect should be to this entire world. Open your palms, take your hands off Namaste position. Just say and repeat this to yourself. Say to yourself that I will love like there is no tomorrow. Say to yourself, I will love like there is no tomorrow. And if tomorrow comes, I will love again. And if tomorrow comes, I will love again. Gently rub your palms. Make sure they're nice and warm. Heat it up. Place it over your eyes. Gently drop your heads down. Look at your palms and open your eyes. Thank you so much.